राजा श्री विष्णु की प्रतिनिधि कहे के श्री विष्णु के नाम तुम्हारा समक्ष रख के I wanted to advise much earlier, 16 years ago, you should not do this kind of wrongs. Jesus Christ के crucifixion नहीं हुआ, but what kind of that phenomena who spread out, nobody's there, lineages today is nowhere. That Christ has not taken any actions in that sense. Those Christ followers, Europeans. But today what you are still increasing in with ridiculous manner, joking me. I have what I told you, that one man is taking Duryodhana to joke me. Dhritarashtra voice. He is not ready to actions. इन धृतराष्ट्र टाइल दुर्योधन के पिता के फॉर्म में मेरे को जोक किया है, and that is crime that Khudiram Bose and my much higher that activity what they have done at Mexican Gulf. It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. But what? Knowing me, my Gurudev, and revived Krishna Ram's truth, accepting those truth to snatch from me those truth to snatch my identity and killing them there. माता रानी कन्ना जो राजकन्या थे, पुत्र थे, उनका टाइटल तुमने स्नैच कर लिया। तब भी तुमने मेरा इस वार्निंग लेटर सीबी आनंदन बोस जो किल करके मोदी is also Ananda Bose, clean pleasure taker. When warning in the name of Lord Hari, I told that what compulsion I have put in which way, if it is Hari is existing, there's no way what I have told. That million billion time of not doing immediate killing of those, doing joy to me, who are the responsible for those crimes, and you have tolerating, you are doing, remaining misled till dead, doing, joking with me, my crimes, joking those life sacrifices. But you are very much eager to snatch those great souls' identity by your babies, putting faces, to claim plastic surgery, to claim as Malini Bukol, as Ganburi, Manaburi, Putle, etc. So many million, billion, thousands, my Indian Raj Jamindari ki Rajputra Kanna ke, Dharmiya, Guru ke. You are taking changing as you have lot of criminal money to make your faces changes, as if I have seen wrong, to show your videograph taken of those lives. You are only there, say, because they were sometime to cover faces. So you will all will be hanged. Million, billion times what I have given compulsion, just like Shivananda Bose. If you have denied my word, you are denying Lord Hari Vishnu, then nowhere you can get excuse. Seek excuse. That is up to you, if you or the rest Indian, Bengali, if you tolerate it. Listening something I have quoting in the name of Lord Hari. That is your responsibility when somebody has blaming crisis. One story is there, Bhagavad Vedanta, while mother cows, Prithvi was crying in the form of cow. When you are slaughtering cow, how you know that was the crying of the mother earth only Bharati, Bhagavati, Durga, Uma, Kali ki? How you can? So that kind of what? Or Lord Vishwamitra के गार्लेन इंद्र की गर्भ से राजपथ में बैठ के पैर में कुचल देना हस्ती को देके क्या विश्वामित्र का अवज्ञा करना राजा हरिश्चंद्र की मतलब रानी नारी संग आधार जो भी है, दंभ, दुष्ट मंत्री वगैरह के पश्चात में लोभ ग्रीड बन गया था, अहंकार मात्सर्य. So that all way I not increase but consequence with you. In the name of Lord Hari, remember Lord Shiva, what I have done. If you deny it, as when I am telling truth, if it is false, then it's not I am to go in hell, but you will be. If it is truth, so for that, even if it is I am telling false, but complaint when made, some particular taking Raja, reviving Hindutva Dharma, or Kailan, sorry, religious, Yada Yada Dharmasya Glanir Bhavati Bharata. When you are all politicians blaming each other, killing each other, betraying each other, where is truth? Who is speaking truth? Where is your judicial system? What respect of judicial system? What caliber of judicial system? How to act judicial system? Modi Narendra Rakhosh, how he was in main shooter, he is a Ram Bhakta. When I have to ask to surrender your post in the name of Lord Ram, you should have created Bharat so many. You have left gone Aranya, Manavas Jungle, but you have not. Lekin your gods of Kerala, SS, Ananda and जो भी है निशा, जो क्राइड है, उनके आवेदन है तो जंगल में ना जाना, राजकत्र को छोड़ के. सुमित्रा कौशल्या की कंठ से दोनों माता के गाना, उसी का क्रंदन मेरे से मिट्टी के नीचे से आया था. बैठ ना जाना. Which crisis we are? जनार्दन, हम किसको जनार्दन कहे? किस गुरु के चेले हैं तो मेरे को कहा. What you are understanding with your guru, and in which way you have remained in fear of his and God. So for that way they requested. And what is your saints or your father's saints? Your uncles or fathers. Past, God fearing, due respect to Lord Ram. So this is too much for you all if you are religious. You are at all Indian called or Bharatiya. So ask Mohan Bhagavad Gita. Be Guru or either any religious Guru, you are still there. Think you are there. Jada jada dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata nahi hua. Then okay, go on, proceed to lies. Anarchist, killing, continue, raping, trafficking, betraying, dangerous killing. Make Ananda Bose. Killing innocent, pleasure taking, his name is Ananda Bose. बसु अपना को संतुष्ट करके निराश जड़ों जैसे स्थापति कर देना जजो नस्तस्थ आनंद. You have got post governor of Bengal और मागी द्रौपदी मुर्मू और एक्सेट्रा क्रिमिनल और राष्ट्रपति और कुत्ते M.K. मोहन गांधी, कुत्ते गांधी राष्ट्र के जनक, मुनि ऋषि अरविंद को अवज्ञा और सारे मुनि ऋषि राजा के राज परंपरा नीति शास्त्र सबको अवज्ञा करके कुत्ते को दलित बेटा दंभ को अम्बेडकर को पद में दे दिया. What you are doing done or he has done, he has denied the avatar Sri Vishnu Mahima. He living Ram, Krishna, Buddha's theories. Again, he has taken Buddha in other way. He is not a Vaishnavi Shakti, not Vishnu की अवतार नहीं थे, उन्हीं की manifestation नहीं थे. In that way, he has betrayed arrogance. That God says you are the deprived, getting human birth or Indian birth. But it's not my headache. I have told and make the compulsion आप पुण्य जो भी हो, भारत की जन्मांतर जो कुछ है उसके हिसाब से कर लेना. मैं तुम्हारा लिए कांदा, लेकिन घटने के बाद मैं मिनिस्टर एडवोकेट नहीं हूँ. So already you have done wrong. I have no power to do anything for you all.